please clear the court. For bronze medal match, 35 plus intermediate mix.
Nice one.
Dino, Mary versus Giselle. Sorry, versus Brian and Aire. Court number 6. Again, court number 6 for bronze medal match. Dino and Mary Grace Butra versus Brian Rivera and Aire Rivera. Court number 6.
May service.
Jess, ano? Wala pa? Let me know how here.
For court number 4, gold medal match, 35 plus intermediate mix. Giselle Abellion and Ted Manotok versus Andrea and Gino Bellino. Court number 4. Gold medal match, 35 plus intermediate mix. Please proceed to court number 4.
They had the chance 10-10 too. They're serving. Sa kanila hindi sila nakabilis natin. Masira na lang natin yung 1,000 na out. Masira lang natin nagtawag. Pero sa ganyan bro.
Court number 7, please clear the court. Court number 7, please clear the court.
Bro, pag ganito na dapat tayo pareho. Meron tayo set-set sa kawan. Kasi lagi ako nasa court, nagisa lang ako yung
Bawi, bawi.
warm-up, mga warm-up, nalilig ka lang. Wala ka pa sa warm-up.
Court number 7, Jerry Gomez, Wayne Ostero versus Jeffrey Arbis and Aaron Lance Hernandez. Flight A, 15 plus intermediate men's doubles. Court number 7.
Sabay tayong nasa court. Ngayon, pag tinawag mo kita, sorry po. Wala po natin po.
Again, court number 7, Jerry Gomez, Wayne Ostero, versus Jeffrey Arbis and Aaron Lance Hernandez. Please go to court number 7.
hindi na.
Calling on Christine Nolan, Karen Casio, Len Umali, Odette Asperin, Julie Ebio, and Ann King. Please approach the committee's table.
Shot. Shot.
Hindi ka kasali. Dito ka lang.
Oh, di ba, tita? Kasi naman yung parang ka talaga. Sobrang init. Sobrang food.
Closest player.
Talaga? Pwedeng tumawag, tita.
Pero sa amin ang tawag. Kailangan mo, tinatalo na natin yung dalawang ito.
Oo, tita.
Diba? Isa yung nanalo sa Suburbia.
Oo, tita.
For women's 35 plus, advance.
Tapos na.